Every time he looks at it, he smiles.
You know, I've always had a somewhat negative view of Honda Civics.
But this thing is rowdy, bro!
Until Austin brought his. It's so stupid that it's fun.
It's just like, it's like finding a free bike. Like, you don't want a bike, but like, oh, guess I got a bike now. Are you merging, or are you?
Johnny doesn't use turn signals.
It's like, it drives by feel.
The car drove real nice.
Oh!
What? That is a turn signal.
More information than I've had in a long time. Throw the chutes on that one. 55 that time, dude. We were cooking.
Oh, yeah, we were. All that to not break the speed limit. Yeah.
Morty knows what's up.
Good morning from a formerly rainy Route 66 Raceway here in Joliet, Illinois. We are here. We are in the process of putting the heads on the race car. Austin's looking very seriously at something. Today there is one qualifying session, and then tomorrow there are two, and we're in that too fast, too tasty challenge, which we're excited about. But hopefully tonight we can go out and run well, see some header flames. It's a 6 o'clock run, so we're excited for that because night runs are the coolest. So
it's not going to be dark.
It's not going to be dark?
You realize it was still light at like 8:30 last night, right? I got here at 6 o'clock yesterday.
That's unfortunate. I was hoping for header flames. One thing that is really cool out here at the track this weekend, there's 21 dragsters and 18 funny cars. Indy last year only had 24 dragsters, so we're only 3 shy of that here in Chicago, and it is going to be a good weekend of racing. I heard that the track is nearly sold out, and this track is huge. There's so much seating. Hang on. Let me show you how much seating there is. This is how big the track is. This thing is huge. It's like a coliseum of drag racing. It's awesome. Yeah. That is a lot of people that could fit in here. I'm excited to see the stands completely full. It's going to be really cool to see. And this is the first time that I'll have actually ever been to this track, since we haven't been here in 4 years, I think it is now. So this weekend we have Priority Systems Mechanical on the side of the car, and they gave us this awesome tow vehicle that is all decked out to match the car. The car itself looks amazing. It's really, really cool. We've got simple, but it looks really good. It's hard to show you in the pit, but it is going to look so good going down the track. I'm excited to see it. Mr. Macon, how you feeling about this weekend?
Oh, most excellent. All is well. Everything's looking great. The weather is awesome. We got a little rain, but this afternoon, come 6 p.m.,
cool.
We'll get her done.
I'm excited. It's going to be fun. Okay, the body's going on the car. NHRA on Fox is coming by in 4 minutes to do a shoot with Dad that they didn't get to do in Gainesville because we weren't there on time, I think. I don't really remember. That was like 3 months ago. Not really, but it was a while ago. Anyways, they're coming by to do that. Dad's in his fire suit, and cool. Hi, Dad. How you doing?
Okay, Bubba. How are you?
I'm doing good. Funny car looks good.
Sure, pretty.
Okay, I have been running around like a chicken with my head cut off for the past like 2.5 hours. It's been fun. It's awesome. This weekend is a very big weekend for my business. There's a couple really cool opportunities that I'm getting to work on, and so I'm working my butt off on that. The funny car is up here in the lanes. And boy, does it look good. This Priority Systems car is beautiful. Check that out. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just had to run back to the pit to get the in-car camera for it so I can stick it in there and be about ready to go. Okay, I'm headed back to the pit again because I forgot something else. I need a scooter. Maybe one of those little electric scooters like Johnny has. That'd be pretty cool. Also, I got one of these fancy NHRA videographer vests, so it means I can go out with the photographers past the tree, past 60 foot, to take pictures and videos, which is pretty cool. So probably won't do that today because the car's in the right lane, but I am excited to try that out and get to see what kind of pictures and videos I can get. That'll be fun. So this weekend we got new crew shirts for the Priority Systems car, and I've brought Mr. Austin West to model. Oh yeah.
Clean as I try to be, I gotta stay.
I would have modeled, except mine's covered by this vest, and you know, Austin's much better than me.
It's cooler.
Yeah. Alright, it has been a little bit since I last talked to you guys, but motor's been serviced. We just got to start putting it back together, which I'm fixing to do. Car smoked the tires because it had a hole out because the all valve stuck. So not good, not bueno, but something we can fix and hopefully move on from tomorrow in the first round of the Mission Foods Too Fast, Too Tasty Challenge, which I'm really excited for. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to get this car put back together, and then I'm not sure what next. Probably another ride in the Big Wang Gang Civic. Alright, well I just got some somewhat good news, if you can call it that, this weekend, or today, after that run. We are still sitting number 6 after that run. Only 5 cars made it down the track, and Hagen, who is our first round opponent tomorrow in the Too Fast, Too Tasty Challenge, is sitting 7th. So theoretically, if we went out and did the exact same thing, both cars, we'd be going to the finals in that Too Fast, Too Tasty thing, which is kind of cool, but we're hoping to step it up and run a little bit better tomorrow. Hey, check these out. These are really cool. This is my favorite. That is so cool. That is going on the wall in my dorm when I go off to college in a few months. A beer koozie and a water bottle. This is really, really cool. And you know where you can get these? Vintage 1320 Souvenirs here on the Midway at all the races. Joe has all of these for sale over there, and these are really, really cool. This is my favorite. This is really, really awesome. I really love the LSA block repair on there. This is so freaking cool. I'm gonna see if I can get him to make me one of the Fool's Errand. I think that'd be really cool too. Check out that sunset. That is awesome. Amazing. Spectacular. Rupa extrafilidocious, however that word goes. We are currently working on diagnosing why the blower won't sit on the intake properly. It's like not on one side, it won't go all the way down and meet up with the intake. So we're trying to figure that out real quick. So we figured out the blower problem. All it was is there's this little titanium plate that goes between the intake and the bottom of the blower casing, and it was bent a little bit. So what we ended up doing was just drawing the blower down, and it kind of squished the plate back into place and worked itself out. So it's fixed. All right, we made it back to the hotel. I am filthy and exhausted, but I've still got some work to do. I've got some editing to do. I'm going to edit this video that you're watching right now. Today was not the day we hoped for, and what ended up happening is the all-in-one valve, which controls the fuel flow, stuck and caused it to drop a hole, and it got shut off. It's fine. The safety systems work. Everything did what it was supposed to. It just sucks that it did that. We're still 6th somehow, which is amazing. I guess nobody got down the track, and like I said earlier, Hagen is 7th, so he's behind us going into first round tomorrow of the Too Fast, Too Tasty challenge. So I'm excited for that tomorrow. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be another incredibly busy day, but I am super excited for it. On that note, if you guys are here in Chicago this weekend, make sure to come by, make sure to come say hi, and never give up.